friends, I welcome to in my new second video of Science and Technology by Vishesh Nemade. We will see today of agriculture, crop production. Let's start. Agriculture, the branch of science that deals with the growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. Crop plants and crop seasons. Weeds, unwanted and cultivated plants that grow along with the crop plants. Weeds are those plants that are unnecessary plants, not for useful. Crop plants. Plants of same kind are grown in the field on a large scale. The plants which are grown in large amount. Uncultivated plants. Plants grown by the farmer in the field are those plants which farmer grows in the field. Produce, the product which is obtained from a crop. Crop rotation, the practice of growing leguminous plants because they can fix atmospheric nitrogen with the help of rhizobium bacteria. The rhizobium bacteria are those bacteria, they can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into liquid form, and that liquid the plant can take. Types of plants. Cereal or grain crops. Example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, oat. Pulse or legume crops. Example, gram, pea, bean. Oilseed crops. Mustard, groundnut, soybean. Fiber crops. Cotton, jute. Root crops. Sweet potato, carrot. Tuber crops. Example, potato, tapioca. Seasons in which plants grow. Rabi crops. Crops grown in winter season, generally in October, November, and harvested in March, April. Example, wheat, gram. Kharif crop. Crops grown in rainy season in June, July and harvested by September, October. Examples, groundnut, maize. Agriculture practices can be defined as the various activities or tasks which a farmer performs to produce a good crop. A number of tools are required during the course of different agriculture practices. These tools are called implements. Some examples are hose, bolo, pick, mattock, shawl, hand cultivator. Some agriculture practices are: there are 7 agriculture practices: preparation of soil, sowing of seed, manures and fertilizers, irrigation, weeding, harvesting, storage. Preparation of soil. Preparation of soil requires 2 steps: ploughing, leveling. Ploughing. The first step in the preparation of soil requires loosening and turning of the soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called ploughing and tilling the soil. Advantages are: Loose soil contains a lot of space in it. This allows root to breathe easily. Loose soil helps root to go deep inside earth. Ploughing helps to kill weed. Loose soil helps earthworm to grow. Because earthworms are very good friend of the farmers, they help to generate manure by eating the soil. Loose soil uniformly makes manures and fertilizers. Leveling. The field after ploughing may still have big pieces of soil called crumbs. Sowing of seed. The process of putting the seed in the soil is called sowing of seed. Points to be kept in mind before sowing the seed. Seeds should be of good quality and healthy. They should be sown in correct depth of the soil. Seeds should be sown in proper distance. Method of sowing seed. By scattering the seed by hand, manual sowing. This you can see in the below figure. By using seed drill. A seed drill is a machine in which you can put the seed in proper distance and in right depth. Manures and fertilizers. 3 ways for making soil as full nutrients. Leave field uncultivated for one or more seasons. This process is called fallowing. Add manures and fertilizers. Practice crop rotation and mix cropping to improve the fertility of soil. Buy leguminous crop one after the other. One time you can put useful plants that take manures and second time you can put leguminous plants. Manures. The process of adding manure to the soil is called manuring. 3 types of manures are farmyard manure, green manure, compost. Farmyard manure, it consists of animal dung, straw, leaves, urine and other farmyard waste. Green manure, it consists of green plants, leguminous plants. Compost, it is manure obtained by the decomposition of dead plants and animals. Advantages of manure. It improves soil texture. It enhances the capacity of soil to hold water. Manures are very good for the soil. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are the chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrient. Fertilizers are used are NPK fertilizer, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Irrigation. Irrigation means supplying water to crop in the field at the specific intervals. Irrigation helps the plants to give water. Water is important for crops. Germination of seed. Nutrients cannot move up from the soil. 2 methods of irrigation. Sprinkler system and drip irrigation. Sprinkler system. In sprinkler system, these are perpendicular pipes with rotating nozzles on the top joined to the main pipeline and the pipeline joined to a pump. It is used in rough surface. In your sprinkler system, you can see the image on the top. Drip irrigation. In this method, the water falls drop by drop at the position of the root. It helps in saving water. Weeding. Weeding can be done in two ways. Manual removal. Second is removal with chemical. Manual removal. The weeds are removed by hands. Removal with chemicals. Weeds are destroyed from the chemical but not harmful from the useful plants. This is called weedicide. Harvesting. The process of cutting and gathering crops is called harvesting. Crops are removed by manually or by machines. In this case, the cereal crops harvesting is followed by threshing and winnowing. Threshing. The process of separating grains from the harvested crop is called threshing. It can be done by manual. It can be done by machine. Manual means by humans. Machine means by machines. Winnowing. The process of separating grains from the chaff with the help of wind is called winnowing. You can see the winnowing photo at the bottom. Storage. So storage can be done in two ways. In small scale, domestic area. It can be stored in jute bags or small metallic bins. In large scale, commercial level. It can be stored in gunny bags or silicons. Reference. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. We will meet in next video. Thank you.